Hello, this is Denise Miller with Visual Faith Ministry. For our 2026 Logos 365, which is a word of the year, we get together via Zoom 4 times a year. And our year-long project is going to be an accordion book made out of envelopes. So for this one, I picked 7 envelopes, one being for the cover, and then the rest for the accordion book. Now for me, I wanted my pocket to be on the outside, which would make it a lot easier than if it was on the inside. So obviously for the cover, this is where your pocket is, and I just covered it up and then started all the pages. So what you need is any size envelopes and some washi tape or some Scotch tape, paper if you wish to cover your front cover, and other paper if you wish to cover the inside pages as well. But for me, I'm going to say cover, and then first envelopes January. February does not have a pocket, but it does have a page. So February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then December, and then we're back to the cover. So if you wish for 12 pockets, then you're going to need 12 envelopes. And if you wish for a cover, then you need one more, so it'd be 13. For me, it is 7 envelopes, 6 pockets, and then 1 cover. So I was thinking it might be easier to show you every other one if I had a different color. These are not exactly the same size, so when I would be making this, I would not actually be using this because they are not the same size. But I just wanted to show you to see if it's any easier. So for the first one is your cover, and you're going to place it down and have it opened. Obviously, envelopes that are rectangular in the flap are probably a little easier than the triangle. The triangle works if that's all you have. The second one is going to be facing the same direction. And that's the only time you'll have 2 in the same direction, because this one is your cover. And then you have the option of keeping this inside pocket or covering it. I covered mine. So all you're doing is matching that up. Now remember, you're folding here, so you don't want to go too far where then you can't fold. So I would do a tad less than the fold line. And then what you're doing is you're taking the tape off, which I can show you do here, even though, like I said earlier, this is not what I would use because they don't match up exactly. A little bit less, and then push down. So that's your first. Your second one, you're going to do the opposite direction. So this is up, you're going to flip it so that it's down. And then what you're going to do is, this has a little sticky stuff instead of the pull off. So easiest thing to do is to actually tape the whole thing down. So let me show you real fast. I'm going to do the whole entire flap, even over the sticky stuff. Take the next one, which is facing down. Making sure I'm not over that line. You can pull back and fold a little bit to see where it is. And then just push down. Now for the ones that have the strip that you pull off, it ends up having a little bit of a flap, and I'll show you what I ended up doing with that. So 2 up, cover up, first page facing up, next page facing down, and all you're doing is opposites. Next one is going to face up. So you're going to match it up, pull back your flap, figure out where it about is, pull off, or tape down, or glue stick down, whichever you have. Now you're going to keep doing this for as many pages as you want. And just remember, your front cover, you're going to fold in and then do every other one. Fold out, fold in, fold out. And when you do that, your pockets are on the edges. And that way they're a little bit more usable. Now let me show you another thing that you might have to do. Now in this, because I put glue stick, it has adhered it down so it doesn't pull. But if you are only using the one little strip, let me show you. If you're only using the strip here, this whole part is still loose. So then you end up with kind of it. Let me show you. It pulls on your edges. So all I did was grab out my washi tape and I just washi taped it. Tucked it in if I had that little flap thing here. Tucked the washi tape in, flipped it over, washi, washi, washi. And then that way, that little flap gets closed. I could have easily added glue instead, glue stick instead when I was making it, but I decided to do it this way with the washi tape. Now my choice is, once I have this ready, is do I want to cover each of these pages? If I was to cover, you have a couple choices. You can take a piece of paper and go from this edge all the way over to your pocket. And then if you want that part covered as well, then you just take a little snip of paper and tuck it in. And then that way you would still have your pocket. Or if you want your 2 months to look different, you make your piece of paper and you stop at your seam. And then you do another color over here. And then that way your months would look different. But you can do the same piece of paper for all of them if you like the uniform look. So the next thing I will be doing is, after I choose my word, I will be writing my word of the year here. And then I'm going to get my tags out and I will put my tags in here waiting for that month to roll around. And most likely I will be writing a Bible verse on the tags for that month with my word in it or meaning my word. And then over here, I will either print off the Bible verse, write a prayer, notes if I have studied it and found some synonyms, antonyms, things like that. I'll write those out here. So the paper that I use to put on here, I might not use a very bright pattern. That way I can write. Or if you do have bright pattern paper, you just put white paper over it if you're going to take notes. Lots and lots of options. But hope that helps. And this is going to be a fun project that we do this year for our Logos 365 word. Obviously, you can use this for anything, but that is our year-long project.